In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find attachments in Gmail. This process is incredibly straightforward and will save you time whenever you're searching for those important files buried in your inbox. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll notice the search bar prominently placed at the top of your screen. This bar is your gateway to harnessing the true power of Gmail's search capabilities. To search for emails containing attachments, start by typing "has attachment" directly into the search bar. As you type this, Gmail filters your emails and displays only those with attachments. It's a quick way to narrow down your search without going through every email in your inbox. Once the emails with attachments appear, it could still be overwhelming if you're looking for a specific file. Here's where we refine our search further for accuracy. Let's say you're looking for a PDF file. You would modify your search query by including the file type. Just add the file type to your search string like this: has attachment file name PDF. This command ensures that only emails with PDF file attachments appear, helping you zero in on what you need. But we can take this process even further. Suppose you remember a keyword from the email you're searching for. Integrating this keyword into your search can pinpoint the exact email faster. For example, if your email about a project report also mentions Q3 results, simply combine your search terms: has attachment file name PDF Q3 results. This complexity of searching within your Gmail account allows you to navigate more efficiently. Another useful tip is filtering by date. If you remember the approximate period the email was sent or received, this can further help refine your search. Use the advanced search operator to include dates, for example, after 2022-0101, before 2022-12-31, so you can look for attachments within a specific time frame. By doing this, you cut down the number of emails displayed, making it easier to spot the one you're after. Once you find the email with the attachment you're looking for, you can either open it directly to view and download the attachment, or you might want to move it into a separate folder for organization. To move an email, select it, click on the Move To icon, and choose or create a folder that suits it best. Organizing these emails immediately can save you time when you need to find them again later. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to efficiently find attachments in Gmail. Remember these tips and practice using different search operators to become an email search pro. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.